Hey, what up? This your boy, the Solo Traveler RD, and thanks again for checking out another one of my videos. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell while you are here. I greatly appreciate it. Well, I'm coming to you with some great news coming out of Cuba. So it looks like Cuba is looking to reactivate their tourism. They're going to be opening their country up to tourism on November 15th, which is awesome. This is great news. I've been looking to go back there for a while. I can't wait to go back because, if you haven't been in Cuba, you need to go there as soon as possible and enjoy the beautiful island, enjoy the beautiful people, enjoy everything that's out there. I'm not just being biased because, I am half Cubano, but however, telling you go out there, go ahead and, go out there and check it out. Look at the historic of the buildings and everything. Everything looks nice. You will enjoy being out there. So check it out. But let's jump into the article and see exactly what's going on and when you guys be able to take advantage of going to Cuba and to enjoy yourself out there. So this article here, coming out of Reuters, it says Cuba to welcome tourists as homegrown vaccine drive takes hold. This is out of Havana, October 26th. So it says Cuba will open its border and ease entry requirements next month after vaccinating most of its people with homegrown COVID-19 drugs, allowing it to welcome back overseas visitors and giving a shot in the arm to its ailing tourist industry. Tough restrictions due to the pandemic, a drastic reduction in flights to Cuba, and a U.S. ban most travel to the communist-run island under former U.S. President Donald Trump have hobbled the business and left it trailing behind region competitors such as the DR, Puerto Rico, and PR, the Bahamas, and Cancun, Mexico. But as of November 15th, Cuba will only require visitors to carry proof of vaccination or a recent PCR to enter the country, replacing what were previously among what was the strictest protocol in the Caribbean, involving a quarantine period and multiple PCR tests. A fully vaccinated population will prove a key selling point for an island already well regarded for its safety, beaches, and turquoise waters, said Francisco Camps, who supervised Spanish firm Sol 32 hotels in Cuba. So like I said, they're opening up tourism, so this is great news. So I'm telling you guys, go out there, enjoy it. If you can't get a direct flight from the United States to go to Cuba, hey, you can take another path. I say go to Mexico, go to the Bahamas, go through Canada. There's ways to get out there, so you don't have to fly direct from the United States. So there's ways to get out there to enjoy yourself. I'm definitely to tell you the truth, I enjoyed myself when I was out there about 2-3 years ago when I went out there. So can't wait to go back there. Tell you, beautiful people, infrastructure from what you see, from the cars, everything you can think of. But this is your boy, the Solo Traveler RD. Of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Hopefully, you guys will take advantage of this. And I'm out.